What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to use the reminders widget in Galaxy S25 Ultra. So first of all, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and here click on display. Now in display, scroll down and click on edge panels. Now in edge panels, first of all turn on the edge panels button and then tap on panels. Now here look for the reminders widget panel. Now select this widget to add it to the edge panel, and after adding, go back to your home screen and open the edge panel. Now from here open the reminders widget panel. So this is the reminders widget panel. So here it will show you the list of reminders that you have set before, and if you want to add a new reminder then tap on add, and from here you can add a new reminder. And here you also have a option of reminder, so tap on this option to open the reminders app. So that's how you can use the reminders widget in Galaxy S25 Ultra. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.